Hello, everybody. Steven here, your LionDesk trainer, and welcome to our product update roundup, where we show you around LionDesk and show you our newest features and enhancements that are going to help you stay top of mind with your contacts so you can turn them into lifelong clients. This month, we have a lot of great features lined up for you all. So in this video, we're going to cover the new contact profile page design. We're going to show you how you can connect your contacts and your email communication from your Google, your Outlook, and your Microsoft accounts. We're going to show you our new concierge service for lead generation, where all of the work is done for you. And then we're going to end with our holiday gift, where we increase your email limits, your text limits, and your video text limits. So let's go ahead and dive into LionDesk and show you around. Awesome. So here we are logged into LionDesk, and let's go over these updates. Let's start with the first update. LionDesk has launched a new design for the contact profile page. With this new design, you will see more color, filters in the activity timeline, and best of all, it's going to be a lot faster. Let's go ahead and pull up a contact profile. I'm going to use this search bar above, search contacts. Simply type in the name or the email address of your contact, and you'll see it appear below. Simply click, and boom, here's a new design for the contact profile page. And as I mentioned, there is a lot of color, and it's going to make navigating LionDesk a lot easier. This way, you can pinpoint key information as you're going through the contact profile. And although the design did change, the functionality has stayed the same. You're going to see the following icons here to email, to text, to call, and so on. You're going to see all of the contact information below. Right, you'll see your favorite fields, your contact information, spouse's information, custom fields, and your addresses. As for your activity timeline, your campaign communication, and your task sections, they're going to be listed above. So you're going to see them here. They each now have their own tabs. So you're going to see tasks, campaigns, and so on. Simply click to view. So although the look is new, the functionality is the same. That said, we did improve the contact activity timeline. So you're going to see here that we now included a filter for team members, right? Simply click on the following dropdown and select your team member. We included a filter by time frame. So the next dropdown, simply click, and you're going to see that you can filter by yesterday's activities, the past 7 days, or the past month. And finally, we added the infinite scroll in the timeline. So instead of having to jump from page to page, you can just scroll down the timeline and it will expand so you can view more entries, right? That means less clicks. That makes it easier for you to navigate through the contact profile. So check out the new contact profile. You'll find that it has more color, a filterable timeline, and best of all, it's going to be a lot faster. Moving on to the next update, we're going to go to the profile page. I'm going to click on my name here on the upper right corner and select Profile. So what's the next update? With LionDesk, you can now sync your contacts and email communication from your Google account, your Outlook, or your Microsoft accounts. Right, so here in your profile page, you're now going to see this new section on the left, Connect to your provider. Simply click. And this is going to help you set up your account for success. Right below, you're going to see the following tile. Select your provider for instant setup. So again, you can connect with Google, Outlook, or Microsoft. Simply click, and you're going to see the screen slide in on the right-hand side. Select your provider, and you'll see that you can now sync your emails and your contacts. From here, you want to click on Sign In with Outlook. And you're going to get a pop-up window where it's going to ask you to sign into your account and accept the permissions. And once you do, you're going to see all of your contacts and your emails sync to LionDesk. Quick note, please allow up to 24 hours from the initial sync for you to see your contacts and your email communications sync over to LionDesk. So go ahead and connect your email accounts. That way you will have all of your contacts and email communication in one place. This is going to save you time from having to jump back and forth from different platforms to follow up with your contacts. So make LionDesk the central hub of all of your technology. Go to your profile page and start syncing your contacts and email communications from your Google, Outlook, or Microsoft accounts. All right, let's go to the next update. I'm going to go to the home page. So now open the main menu and click on home. All right, so for update number 3, LionDesk has now brought you a new concierge service, a done-for-you lead generation service. To get more information about this service, go ahead and visit our marketplace. To visit our marketplace, you're going to see the following icon here in the upper right. Simply click, and you'll be able to visit our marketplace here. Simply click, and boom. Once here, you will see the different services that you can take advantage of, including the Concierge Done For You lead generation service, right? Let the experts handle all the heavy lifting when it comes to lead generation so you can focus on what matters most, building relationships. You will receive quality real estate leads that will go directly into your LionDesk CRM and get connected to a nurture campaign. To get more information about the Done For You lead generation service, simply click on this tile, click on More Info, and you will find more information about the Done For You service. Simply scroll below, and you're going to see what's included, such as Facebook ad design, target audience, ad management, and more. So let LionDesk take care of the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what matters most, building relationships. Go to the marketplace and check out our new lead concierge service. All right, let's go ahead and jump back into LionDesk for our final update. Perfect. Up next is our final update, our holiday gift. As a thank you to all of our users who have been with us and who have used LionDesk to grow their business, we decided to increase your limits. Since early November, LionDesk has increased your email limits, your text limits, and your video text limits for our starter plans, Pro Plus, and our Elite plans. This way, you can take your communication to the next level. You will see the increase in your limits in your profile page. Simply click on your name in the upper right corner and select Profile. From here, you're going to see the left-hand side. Simply look below, and you're going to see your limits for your emails, your text messages, and your video texts. Right? So if you have a starter plan, a Pro Plus plan, or an Elite plan, you're going to see an increase in your limits. So take advantage of these new limits, log into LionDesk, start sending your emails, your text messages, and video text to stay top of mind with your contacts. Awesome. So this concludes our product update roundup, where we showed you our new contact profile page design. We showed you how you can connect your email communication and your contacts from your Microsoft, your Outlook, or your Google accounts. We showed you our new concierge service for lead generation, where all of the work is done for you. And our holiday gift, where we increase your email, your text, and your video text limits. So log into LionDesk and take advantage of these new features and enhancements that are going to help you stay top of mind with your contacts.